Hello, welcome back to Benmarks Motors. Here today we have a 2021 Nissan Juke. This is the 1 litre DIG-T Tekna Plus automatic, finished in this stunning storm white with a contrasting black pale roof. This two-tone colour combination was a factory option and really helps this Juke stand out from the crowd. With just one owner from new and over 53,000 miles covered, this is a fantastic example of Nissan's ever-popular compact SUV. Under the bonnet is Nissan's responsive 1 litre turbocharged petrol engine, producing 117 brake horsepower, and that is paired with its DCT automatic gearbox. The result is a comfortable, refined and easy to drive SUV that's equally at home in town traffic as it is on longer motorway journeys. The automatic gearbox makes driving effortless, whilst the turbocharged engine produces plenty of punch when you need it. As mentioned, this Juke has had just one owner from you, which is always great to see, especially on cars like this. And for added peace of mind, it'll be supplied with a brand new MOT at point of sale. It comes with 2 keys and includes a 6-month warranty as standard. As I say, the two-tone combination was a factory extra. I think it was only £170 extra, but boy, it does make the car stand out. It's a lovely colour, and especially in this lovely sun that we've got today as well. I really like the LED lights at the front as well. The striking lines down each side kind of give that car quite an aggressive stance. I think it really makes the car stand out. Lovely chrome detail along the front as well. And I really like the black accents as you go around the car. Obviously they do match, they match the pale black roof as well, which really stand out. As well as the alloys, the chrome details on the alloys as well. Really make the car look nice. It is the top range Tekna model, so it comes packed with loads of specification. Let's have a look inside. I mean, firstly, the first thing I noticed is the aircon works brilliantly. Inside is cold, and I mean it's lovely, nice and cold. Aircon got this really nice round aircon on that. Obviously vents look really nice, and yeah, it is the Tekna Plus model. So inside you do find that premium feeling cabin, which is really nice. Got this really nice fabric feel across the bonnet, across the dash there. Obviously with that mix of plastic as well, and really nice sports bottom steering wheel. Nice little heads-up display, really easy to use, easy to read, and similar with the display there as well. Easy to use. Everything's at a push of a button when you need it. Obviously, you've got your maps, everything on there as well, and you can take your phone to it for Bluetooth. We've got the air conditioning down below, which can be turned up and down. In heat like this today, air conditioning is key, and this, as mentioned, this aircon is ice cold. 2 keys on this model, just on the original dealer key there as well. It's a stop-start, keyless entry, keyless start, automatic gearbox as mentioned, with a really nice reversing camera as well. And it's got the 2 cameras down the side as well, which are just on the bottom of the mirrors. Just come with different drive modes, so you can, it'll show you on the stock there. So we're in sport now, as eco, and then also standard. Auto hold as well, 2 cup holders, and a bit more storage in there. This is a really lovely driver focused car. The elevated driving position as well gives excellent visibility, making it a confident and enjoyable car to drive when you're commuting, shopping or heading away for the weekend. This is a really nice, yeah, it feels like I'm in a big car, but I'm not. It is a compact SUV as stated, so you know it is a lot smaller than most SUVs, but still packed with plenty of space, so you definitely don't feel like you're missing out. I mean, just that combination of the fabric and plastic really suits this car well. Plenty of space in the back as well. You do have a Bose sound system on this car as well, and it is the Petrol Plus version. As you can see there on the headrest, you've got 2 speakers as well. So I mean, I noticed it whilst driving this back. It's such a lovely sound in the car. Even if you've got really bassy songs, you've got those speakers behind in the headrest as well to give you that full surround sound feel. Even in the back seat, I mean, apologies about the sun, but it's really plenty of space in the back seat. Lovely part leather, part fabric as well. Phone charger in the middle. Coming to the boot as well, I do like the Jukes, the back bit on the boot as well. I think it does look really smart. And as we open the boot as well, quite a decent sized boot on these models. Nice Juke mat in there as well. It's got obviously the original safety triangle there as well, the safety pack with 5 and yeah, nice decent. Don't get me wrong, they're not an overly large boot, but they are a very decent sized car. There we go. Obviously the Juke remains one of the UK's most popular SUVs, and for good reason. It's compact, easy enough to get around town, yet spacious enough for family life. Plenty of room for passengers as well. So if you're looking for a stylish modern SUV, economical, comfortable and packed with plenty of tech, this is the one for you. It's Benmarks Motors. Thank you very much for watching.